Children, now we are with the class 7 of the same revision exercise, and I have taken the 20th problem that has been given in the year 2015. The horizontal figure has been given in the textbook itself and I have written on the board. The horizontal distance between the two towers is 120 meter. 120. The angle of elevation of the top and the angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower as observed from the top of the second tower is 30 degree and 24 degree respectively. Now this is the first tower and this is the second tower. From the top of the second tower, the angle of elevation is observed to be 30 degree and angle of depression with the bottom of the first tower is observed to be 24 degree. Means that is, this is 24 degree. Now children, observe here, this is 120 degree and with this a horizontal line is taken as CE, that is also 120 meter. 120 meter. Now let us be with this first. In triangle AEC, AE by EC is equal to tan 30 degree. So AE by 120 degree, EC is 120 degree, is 1 by root 3. So AE is equal to 120 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator. So we will get AE is equal to 120 into root 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 40s are. AE, when we multiply 40 into 1.732. AE is equal to 40 into 1.732 and you will get 69.28 when you multiply. So that is 4 into 8, 4 3s are 12, 1 carry, 4 7 29, correct. Now AE. In triangle, now let us consider in triangle BDC, DC by BD is equal to tan 24 degree. Here this is depression. So angle of depression is 24 and angle of elevation is also 24. Even you can go through with this triangle or with this triangle. You will get the same. Now DC by BD is 120 degree is equal to tan 24, gives you the value of tan 24 is 0.4452. So DC is equal to 120 into 0.4452. DC is equal to, the result gets you 53.424. So DC is equal to, and the question says that the answer to be taken with 3 significant figures. So irrespective of point we have to take, even though after rounding off also you will get 53.4. So this is according to the significant figure root 3, or the answer will be significant, actually this will be 53.42 and finally it has to be considered as 53.4. Now because according to the significant figure. Now next, we know that we want to find AB. We also have to find the find the height of the two towers. This is the second tower, height of the second tower. So now AB is equal to AE plus BE. We know that BE is equal to CD. So AB, height of the first tower. AE first we have find out, that is 69.28 plus 53.424 only you take. So AB is equal to, that you will get when you add up 122.704. That after rounding off, AB is equal to 122.70. Okay. Now AB according to the significant, 3 significant figure, it will be 123 meter, because after rounding off, and it has to be taken with, even if round off and take to the 3 significant figure. So hence answer has got. Children, now in this same class I am with the last problem, 21st problem, that the question says that the angle of depression of two ships A and B. A and B. This is A and this is B. The angle of depression of two ships A and B as observed from the top of the lighthouse 60. A and B, let us take this as CD. Let the lighthouse be CD and this is of 60 meter. 60 meter high. If the two ships are on the opposite side, one ship is here and another ship is here, means they are both are in the opposite side of the lighthouse. Opposite side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. Means the distance between A and B we have to find out. Now give your answer to the nearest whole number. Nearest whole number. Now first let us take down in triangle ACD. ACD or ADC. ADC. That is DC by AD is equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree. Now DC is 60 meter divided by AD is equal to tan 60 means root 3. That is AD is equal to 60 divided by root 3. Rationalize the denominator, that gets you AD is equal to 60 into root 3 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 20s are. That is AD is equal to 20 into root 3. That is AD is equal to 20 into 1.732. That gets you AD is equal to 4, 6, 14, 3. 34.64 meter. Now in triangle. Now try in triangle CDB. CDB. That is CD by DB is equal to tan 45 degree. So CD by DB, that is CD is 60. 60 by DB is equal to 1. Now DB is equal to 1 into 60. 1 into 60. That is 60 meter. DB is equal to 60 meter. Now we know that the distance between AB is equal to AD plus DB. That is AB is equal to that is 34.64 plus 60. That gets you AB is equal to 94.64. Now we have to round off to the nearest whole number. That is AB is equal to 95 meter. 95 meter. Distance between two ships. Two ships A and B is 95 meter. Hence we have solved the problem. Children, be alert First we have to take the figure carefully by reading the question carefully. If you take the figure, sure you will read the answer. Because standard angles, especially with the tan, rarely you will get with the sine, you noble. And between angles, you will be with the Clark table, that is logbook. So you will be provided. So no problem. Easily you can gain the marks in heights and distance, and it will be with the section B. 4 marks question.